Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn video to audio converter using PyTube and the PyDub. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the last video we have get the meta information from the YouTube, and the last one that we have download the YouTube videos. Now we are going to convert any video to audio. Okay, so let's have a look of that one. So for this we require some of the pip packages, that is pied up. So make sure we have to install this one. So pip install. So here we go with this one. Make sure you have to install this package. Now we have to pass the YouTube library, sorry, YouTube video. So let's have a look of that one and let's see it's converting or not. So Python main 3, enter the YouTube URL. So I'm going to make a dummy YouTube dummy video. For this one I'm going to use this one, right? Okay, so here we go with this one. I'm going to pass this YouTube here and let's see that title is correct. Downloading complete, audio conversion complete. Let's check the audio, where it is audio. Here you can see, and this is the audio there, like, so the you can see that I get the audio from the video, right? So let's dive into the code level how it works. So this is a function which I created, is which expects a URL. So YouTube URL, we get that we have to fetch the title. Now filter only audio, so only audio required first. Downloading, and ys.download, download complete. So here we have to go with the base text and audio text for whether you want to go with, I need the mp3. So audio conversion complete, it will go over here. Okay, last os remove audio optional, remove the original file. Okay, and if something goes wrong it will go with the an error occurred. And here in the video URL, input from the user, like enter the YouTube URL, then we are calling the function for this one and passing the video URL, and this will help you to convert your video to your audio. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.